Hey Gen Z, tired of being broke? Wondering how some of your friends always seem to have extra cash? Today, I'm going to reveal unique finance hacks designed specifically for you to grow your money, spend smarter, and actually enjoy financial freedom. The no-budget budget. Let's be honest, traditional budgeting is outdated. Try the no-budget system. Automate fixed costs, rent, bills, minimum debt payments. Put savings on auto transfer the day you get paid. Spend whatever's left guilt-free. It's budgeting without the headache. Use the 50-30-20 rule revamp, the classic rule. 50% for needs, 20% for savings and investing, 30% for fun, but optimize it. Try group subscriptions, student discounts, or swap nights instead of always eating out. Hack your bank. Use two separate accounts. One for spending, one for saving. Also use banking apps that round up transactions and invest your spare change. Every penny counts, literally. Make your phone. Earn Gen Z lives on their phones. Use it to make money too. Download apps that pay for data sharing. Try freelancing gigs. Use habit-building apps with real cash rewards. Invest with spare change apps like Acorns, Robinhood, or Revolut. Allow micro-investing. You don't need thousands. Start with $5. And don't just invest in stocks. Consider ETFs, crypto, cautiously, or fractional shares. 1. High-income skill. Beats 5. Low-paying jobs. Instead of juggling 3 part-time jobs, focus on building 1 high-income skill. Coding, content creation, video editing, copywriting. Sell it online, scale it over time. Gamify your financial life. Turn savings into a challenge. Compete with friends, set visual progress bars, or reward yourself when you hit a milestone. Saving should feel fun, not like punishment. Break the influencer trap. Social media will make you feel broke. Unfollow accounts that push consumerism. Instead, follow creators who teach money management, investing, and wealth building. Curate your algorithm to feed your goals. Use credit cards wisely. Build credit early, but responsibly. Use 30% or less of your limit. Pay in full every month. Pick cards with cashback rewards and no annual fee. It's not about avoiding credit, but mastering it. Gen Z is one of the most financially conscious generations, but information overload can make it confusing. These hacks are your shortcut to smarter money habits. If you found this helpful, like this video, drop a comment, share it with your broke bestie, and don't forget to subscribe for more Gen Z money hacks.